Okay, so we have wrote several stories now, and so I want to talk to you about some of your stories because sometimes you'll give me some like really good reasons, and then sometimes the reasons are just okay. And so I want to talk about those reasons. In what order do I put my reasons in? Like, does it really matter? I mean, no, but you want to end with a powerful ending. So if we were writing this story about why my sister was my favorite, I said she loves my kids, she's always there for me, and she cooks amazing food. So I changed it up a little bit than last time. But I need to think about like what is the most important thing about my sister, and I might put that last so that my story ends really, really well. So I might start with she cooks amazing food. That might be my first reason that I talk about in my story. She loves my kids. But the most important thing that I think is huge about my sister is that she's always there for me. And I have those examples to give when we were kids and how we were adults and how she's been there for me. So once you make your box and your bullets, you need to stop and you need to think like, okay, which one of these is the most important? And I want to put it last so that when I'm telling my ending of my story, they're like, wow. And they finish reading your story going, that was really good. So today, when you're planning your new story, you're on your notebook paper and these directions are on your assignment. The first thing you're going to do is come up with your box, which is your topic. Who or what is my story about? What is my opinion? My sister's my favorite. My favorite food is Mexican food. Family vacations are important to me. Whatever your reason, whatever you think it is, having a hiding spot, going to my hiding spot is important to me. What are some of the things I put last week? My father is an important teacher. So all those different things, whatever your topic is, goes in that box. Then you come up with your 3 reasons. Then just like I did, you're going to number those reasons. What one is the most important and make it last. I'm going to talk about food first, how she's there for my kids, and I'm going to end with a punch on the end about how she's always there for me, and that's going to make my story really, really good. So this week, and today, tomorrow, and maybe Friday, but today and tomorrow, you are going to work on this story. Your choice. You get to pick the topic, your opinion, and your reasons why that's your opinion about something. 3 reasons I need to see this, and then you can type your story in. Make sure you're using transition words and that you're giving examples. You don't just say, my sister is my favorite because she cooks amazing food, and then put a period and your story's over. You need to give an example. She cooks amazing food. When the family holidays roll around, I always look forward to what my sister's bringing. This year at Christmas, she brought these buffalo chicken calzones with homemade ranch, and they were amazing. My mouth was on fire, but I loved it. Okay, so I just gave a full big example of how she cooks amazing food, not just stated it, but then gave an example. So for each reason, make sure you're given a little short story example.